Are you ready to declare your curl confidence? Introducing number 10 Bond Shaper Curl Defining Gel. This first of its kind gel is formulated with our patented bond building technology and curl retention compound to relink, repair, and strengthen the bonds responsible for natural curl patterns. Number 10 Bond Shaper Curl Defining Gel can be used for any naturally curly hair type to help boost curl retention and is safe for color-treated hair. With me today, I have two beautiful models with different curl patterns to showcase the versatility of this gel. For Vanessa, I love to style her hair using a coiling technique to be able to enhance before diffusing. For my lovely model Mo, her hair is super dense and I like to apply number 10 Bond Shaper in smaller sections while the hair is soaking wet to make sure we get all those beautiful curls defined. Just look at how beautiful these curls are. The next step here is to either air dry or diffuse until dry. Pro tip, diffusing is an awesome way to set curls in place. I like to turn my blow dryer on medium air and heat. This ensures less frizz and keeps the hair from blowing around. I love to lay my model's head back and have them rest their neck on the chair for comfort while diffusing. I use my hand between the chair and hair to create a barrier and focus that heat on the area I want to dry. After the outside is dry, I will then turn my model's head to the left side if there is still moisture in the nape area. Then rotate on the other side until fully dry. To add more movement to curls and help with drying, I will then have my models sit up slowly and flip their hair to the front. Still taking my diffuser on medium air and heat to continue the drying process, to left and right, flipping the hair for more volume. The last step after the hair is completely dry, to gently shake my model's hair out again while her hair is flipped for more movement and release that curl cast for frizz-free, full-of-life curls. Achieving gorgeous, healthy curls shouldn't be hard with our new number 10 Bond Shaper Curl Defining Gel, and it's never been easier to keep your hair looking its best for optimum health. Visit your salon professional to see about getting the OLAPLEX Bond Shaper Curl Rebuilding Treatment to repair, rebuild, and redefine curls in one professional service. Thanks so much for joining us on the OLAPLEX YouTube channel for some curl fun. If you have questions, make sure you drop them down below and subscribe to our OLAPLEX channel to see more videos like this. See you later, OLAPLEX fam. Bye.